Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to schedule comments in Trello. This useful technique helps you manage tasks effectively by ensuring your notes are posted at the exact time required. We will cover every step clearly to make the process easy to follow. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to Trello.com. When the page loads, click the Login button found at the top right of the screen. You can sign in with your email or a Google account, so choose the option that works best for you. This will take you straight to your Trello home screen. Once you arrive at the home page, head over to the Boards section where your various workspaces are organized. Click on your workspace and look through your boards to find the one where you want to schedule a post. Open the specific card you are targeting by clicking on it. Within the card interface, locate and click the Share button. This opens a menu with several options. Find the section labeled Email for this card and copy the provided email address. This address is vital because it acts as the destination for your future comment. Next, open any email application that supports scheduled messages. In the To field of a new message, paste the email address you copied from the Trello card. Now, write your comment in the body of the email just like a standard message. Be sure to review your text for any mistakes before proceeding. After you are happy with the content, find the Schedule Send feature in your email app. Click it to select the specific date and time you want your comment to be published. This flexibility allows you to prepare comments days or weeks in advance. Following these simple steps will make your project management much smoother. Thanks for joining us and happy commenting.